Hi there, I'm Alexander, a software developer and engineer based in Caracas. If you are looking for someone to help you streamline your process using Python and building robust web applications with Django and JavaScript, you are in the right place. I specialize in create clean, efficient code from automatic, repeated tasks and data processing to developing full stack web solution using Bootstrap and RESTful API. My goal is to provide high quality technical solutions that help your business grow. Beyond that skill, I value clean communication. Being bilingual in Spanish and English allow me to work globally, ensuring every requirement is met on time. I'm someone who enjoys solving complex problems to learn something new every day. I am ready to help you to bring your next project to life. Checking my profile below and feel free to send me a message. Let's build something great together.